Pop the hood. Here, there's a little lever you push to the side, or you push it this way. Open it. Take your stick. Put it in the hole with the arrow. There's your filter housing. Change the air filter. Pop these tabs back. 1, 2, and then you lift this up. Take the old one out. See stuff like this, clean it out best you can. Put the new one in. Sure those tabs go back in place. On both sides. Now you can put these tabs back. That's it for the engine. If this helps you out, give it a thumbs up, like, subscribe. Peace.